Okay, so the question was how to align some things. So let's go into the front viewport. And put a shader on here. We need to turn Arnold off. Get a standard shader. And this is going to be coin. Okay, so Shift J turns off the bounding box. F4 turns on your wireframe. And we need to make sure our unit setup is correct. And we want this in centimeters, not inches, which is what Max defaults to. And we want this with feet with decimal inches. Okay, so we can go to our modify. This is 2 feet. I don't want it 2 feet. I want it about, which is still pretty big, 6 inches. And maybe about 1 inch. Still a big coin, but that'll work. Okay, we want, let's see, 32 sides, and we want cap segments, and we don't need these height segments. And then we want to right-click move, and all of these down here are X, Y, and Z should be all zeros, so it's at the center of the world. Okay, and this is our, we'll call this our low poly coin. Okay, so we'll just hide that one. And I'm going to make another cylinder. This time I'm going to make it from the orthographic or perspective view. Let's switch to a perspective view. Z will zoom in on it. Okay, so then we need this to be the same size. So 6 inches, 1 inch. Okay, and this on it, and we'll call this one our high poly coin. Okay, I'm just going to move it out here. So this is how easy it is to line things. All I have to do is pick the object I want to move. So in other words, I want to move this one to align to that one. So you pick it, you go up here to your line tool, and you click on what you want to align it to. Now, the position needs to be X, Y, and Z. And it's centering the center of it. It could be pivot point 2. Okay. And then we want to be X, Y, and Z. And we're going to do center points. And then those are aligned magically. So now they are both aligned. And that's how easy it is to align things. Aligning 101.